finally caught one. Finally caught a fish. And of course I don't have my other. That's a good fish too. Oh wow. It's a real good fish. Dude, this guy's a freaking brute. Holy cow. Dude, this thing's a monster. Dude, this is a freaking beast of a fish. Oh boy. Stay over here. Yeah. Man, that's a big fish, dude. Holy cow. That is the biggest fish I've caught in a while. Well, I haven't caught him yet, but let's see how we... Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Okay. I thought I had to drive down. Come here, buddy. Come back this way. Come here. Dude, come on. Swim back this way. Oh yeah. Dude. Dude, look at this guy. Holy smokes. This guy is a stud. Holy cow, dude. Let's check you out, bro. Oh yeah. 26 inches. Bro. Check this dude out. Dude, look at this freaking hoss of a fish. Like, man, isn't that beautiful? I'm keeping this bad boy. It's been so long since I've kept a fish. I'm gonna keep this and cook something with it. ahead and give it a taste. Well, guys, the poblano cream sauce was a bust. I don't know what the hell is up with that recipe. That sucks. Tastes like straight peppers. That's not what I'm looking for. But we have a backup. We have a pre-made, like a store-bought sauce that we're going to use instead. This is the redfish you just saw me catch. I've got it cut up into smaller pieces so it's easier to cook, and I'm going to go ahead and season it up with some blackened seasoning. If you really want the best kind of blackened seasoning on the market, it's this right here, Louisiana brand. Has the best flavor, doesn't have a ton of sodium, but I ran out, so I'm gonna have to settle for this Old Bay blackened seasoning. We'll see how good it is. But we'll get them seasoned up and then get them in the skillet. Make sure you season them pretty liberally, because when you put it in the pan and cook it, some of the seasoning is going to come off. So if you like flavor like I do, you want to go ahead and layer it on. You know what I'm saying? And what I'm making with these is fish tacos. I normally will just cook the fish just like this and just eat it by itself, but today we're gonna blacken the fillets and then make some tacos with some cabbage and stuff. But this is like one of the simplest, easiest, best ways to cook a fish in my opinion. I really prefer it over fried most of the time. And fresh redfish is pretty hard to beat. It's my favorite, despite what the general public has to say. It's probably an unpopular opinion. I know a lot of people really like flounder, but I think redfish is better. Redfish, you can't really overcook it. It's a firmer fillet. Just all around, I think it has better flavor. I've got it on medium heat. Go ahead and, I've had it heating up for a minute. Actually, I'm gonna do like medium high heat. Get that butter in there. And shout out to Before Outdoors. If you're cooking with butter in a pan, you better throw some olive oil in there or it will burn. If you're cooking with real butter, but you just put a splash of olive oil in there and it'll keep it from burning. So we'll do that here in a second. All right, and so for the toppings, what I normally do is just get like a chopped salad kit with cabbage in it. And don't use the dressing or anything, but just take that cabbage, load up the taco. And then this is the backup salsa that I am gonna use. Is Herdez guacamole salsa. It's medium, it's got a little bit of kick to it. I'm probably gonna try this too. I just got this at H-E-B the other day. It's jalapeno salsa. I don't know how good it'll be on fish tacos, but we're gonna find out. I used corn tortillas. That's what I know. That's what I really like. I eat flour sometimes for like quesadillas, but anyway, for fish tacos, I like corn tortillas. And the quick way to eat use a corn tortilla is take a damp napkin, put it over the top of it, and microwave it for about 30 seconds, and it'll keep it from falling apart. The real way you should like that, I really like to do it. It's just messy and time consuming, so I didn't do it today. Is to get some olive oil in a pan and get it scorching hot and just fry it in the pan for about 15-20 seconds on each side, and man, that makes it really good. But try it and see how it tastes. Yeah, I was a little disappointed that my sauce didn't turn out, but man, that guacamole salsa is my go-to for fish tacos. I don't really eat it on much else except this, but. All right, well, that's going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and scarf down these tacos. But that's going to do it for this video. If you're still watching, I really appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.